guys, and welcome back to my channel. As promised from my last video, I was going to show you guys how I styled my hair. If you want to see this video, I will leave it in the cards above. I did use my leave-in straight after I washed my hair, and this was the result. Now what I'm going to do is part my hair about halfway, as neat as I possibly can, but I wasn't really bothered about how neat it was. Then I'm going to be using Sunny Owl's Jamaican Black Castor Oil in extra dark, light to the strands of my hair. I did use the pure butter, but the only one I have was lavender, and I did find the smell to be a bit overpowering. Now I'm detangling my hair, then I am going to be doing a 2-strand twist. There's nothing really difficult about this. I just grab the strands and I twist them. Yeah. Then I do a twirl at the bottom to stop them from unraveling. Then I continue the process until the rest of my hair is twisted. Now that the back is done, you can see it is nice and juicy. I did about small to medium size. Now working on the front of my hair, I'm going to part it straight down the middle. Then I did apply a bit of the Jamaican Black Castor Oil to seal in the moisture. And I'm going to be flat twisting my hair. I'm going to connect the back together. Now it's done, I'm going to twist the back together. So this is the final look. I didn't use any gel because I don't like to use gel all the time, or any edge control, but this is a quick protective style, something that's different, something that's stylish, and I will use a disclaimer, I was inspired by fusions of culture. Thanks very much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, like this video and comment down below, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.